All right, here are our Denver cut steaks. You can see the beautiful marbling in here. This is mainly because it is a Wagyu piece of meat. You can see some of the deep red that's in these steaks. And what I did is a couple of days ago, I put a half a teaspoon of kosher salt per pound. These are a little bit less than a pound a piece. So I put a little bit less kosher salt on these. I wrapped them in plastic in foil, set them in the refrigerator and let them sit for a couple of days. After that, I took them out and I put them on a wire rack with a pan underneath it and kind of do a little air dry for most of today. So, and what this is going to do, it's going to keep all those juices inside there. Also, that dry is going to allow us to get a great sear on the outside. But let's go ahead and get these on the grill and get started on this cook. All right, we're going to get these on the grill. These are some beautiful pieces of meat. Now these two pieces on this side are a little bit thicker, a little bit more ounces on those. So I'm going to put the probe in the thickest piece, which is about right here. We're going to kind of monitor this piece here. These two pieces over here are a little bit thinner, not as many ounces. These are also going to be cooked a little bit longer. These two right here are going to be cooked around medium rare, medium. These two right here are for a couple of people that want them done a little bit more. That's fine, whatever they like to do. So we're going to go ahead and close our lid, and we're going to leave this on here until we get to about 80 degrees internal. Okay, we're going to check these out. We're looking for 80. We're right there at it. A little bit, probably a little bit more here because these are a little thinner. So what we want to do now is we're going to flip these steaks over. Take this probe out. Coming along nicely. We want to go to 115 internal, and then we're going to put these on the Slow N Sear to get that nice sear on it. We're keeping it right around 225 to 250. So just a few more minutes. All right, we're going to check them out, see where we're at. Our instant read Maverick thermometer. All right, we'll get 118. Yeah, we're good. We need to go ahead and take these off. Now what we want to do is we're going to remove any excess moisture on these. And we're going to put a coating of olive oil on both sides. And some fresh ground pepper. Flip these over. Do this side. All right, let's get these back on the grill. Added some extra coals here so we can do this sear. We're going to try to go maybe a minute to 2 minutes on these. Again, these are not that thick, so we don't want to overburn them, overcook them. So we can get these in here. We've been going for a minute and a half, so now we're going to flip these over. We're going to spin this grate. Flip these over. Maybe another minute on this side, and we'll be good. All right, these are done, and we're gonna take them off. All right, here we go. Look at the nice color on here. Got a little bit of char there, but nothing major. Beautiful mahogany color. So we're gonna cut into one of these bad boys right quick. We got our grain kind of running diagonally. So I think I'll just kind of cut a piece off right here using my meathead knife, my meathead knives. Look at that, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Man, oh man, oh man. That is one beautiful piece of meat. That is beautiful. We're gonna try a piece of this now. Let's give it a try. So you can see that. Beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. Again, that beautiful mahogany on it. If you have not tried Wagyu beef, please get you some. It is worth it. Also, I'm sure there's plenty of folks out there that say things about the cold grate technique, but I can tell you one thing. I am a firm believer. I do not get paid anything from Adrenaline Barbecue. This is absolutely some of the best steak I have ever had in my life, along with that Wagyu beef that just melts in your mouth, super tender. That Denver cut, again, I highly recommend it. And this meat came from Midland Meat Company out of Texas. Look them up, give John a call.